Alright, what is up you guys? I'm Retro here, back again for another Bloons TD battles. This time I want to try a strategy. I want to try Ice Tower, Cannon, and Monkey Village. Yeah, sure. I want to see how Ice Cannon does. Because I was watching some other Bloons YouTube and I saw this combo and I was like, it looks decent, looks fun. Now then, this is Mega Boost, so gotta keep that in mind that I can boost whenever I feel like it. Now the biggest thing with this, this kind of helps it, but it doesn't completely solve it. It's camo, that's why I got that. This right here, you know, the Monkey Village. So now then, should I send? I want him sending back to me because I can't defend if he sends back. This low tier cannon is not good enough to do that. You can see it's struggling right now. Where should I put this? Yeah, there we go. Okay, wow, 620. That's a look. Struggling. At 630 cluster bombs. This should be good enough. Unless he gets smart and sends out blacks. It's gonna be weird to start because honestly, it's the only thing I can have. Well, I can put out a. Actually, this takes up like 0 space. Let me just put this out. Well, 0 space that I need because those go on land and this goes in water, so works out. That's something else. Okay, what I really hate doing is going from a Bonanza game to a regular game. Because Bonanza, you start off with 500 income, and in this, it takes you at least around 8 to 7 to get to 500 income. It is so slow and regular. It's so slow. How does he afford? Oh yeah, he hasn't been sending it. He's been saving his money. That made no sense to buy that now. I need to get that now. No, don't die, don't die. Don't die. He might try to send out camos. When, you know, round 12 comes. Camo detection right now sucks, honestly. Alright, let me do that, And for this... okay, yeah. Process. Just so he sees that I have it. Can I pull up? It's gonna be amazing if I can pull up a strategy. That's why I'm being quiet, so I can try to finesse my way to do it. Oh no, he's smart. Cannon chip. Alright, a few snuck through, but not a lot. I have a cannon chip now. I wonder what costs more, cannon chip or that? Because if I can just get this now, I'll be Gucci. There we go. Alright, so honestly, nothing's getting by me at this point. Well, a few things can get by me. Like that's getting by me, honestly. did my it did work. Okay, yeah, it did. But I thought it still gave you a boost even though it's Mega Boost. Which one did it go to? Is that the one that get? Oh yeah, they can attack all types of balloons. Okay. Forgot it was Mega Boost for a second. Alright, so now that my things can attack everything they need to attack, I'm honestly just gonna need to stack up on cannons. Just a lot of Moab Maulers. Well, Moab Assassins. And maybe another one of these. Come on. I'm still not even at 500 income, honestly. Cause like it just goes so slow, so you didn't want to do it in this mode. I wonder does he know that it's a that it's Mega Boost, because he could have Mega Boosted his stuff already. That's the next goal right there, to get that. I want to see if this can pull it off. And honestly, what's getting past his defense at this point? Because he has cam detection. Easy. I'm just gonna get frag bombs on all of these just to make me feel safer. They can pop any balloon. Frag bomb just makes them a lot better. Then I'm gonna save it for a rush. I'll probably just do Region, Zebra Rainbow. Yeah, Region, Zebra Rainbow. That'll be good. Is this even? Yeah, it's supposed to. Okay, it is popping. Oh, he's struggling. Should I send out now? Send it out now. Just while he's struggling with that. Winning Museum. Oh, this sends him up to the next tier. I forgot. Mega boosted. And he's done. He's done. So it kind of works out. Well, he's done. So I guess it really was a success for the Cannon Ice Tower. So it's been, I'm Retro, and well, that was on a successful note. I'm out.